Hello students, welcome once again to this channel. In this video series, we are going to see the part 2 of this chapter 1 tissue in class 7 biology of ICSE syllabus. Already we have seen part 1. This is the continuity of that part 1. In this we are going to see a few questions. Before that, subscribe this channel, share it with your friends and click the bell icon so that you would get more notifications as and when we upload the videos. The 16th question, explain collenchyma. They are thick-walled and elongated. That means their walls are so thick and they are elongated. In lengthwise, they are too long. They have oblique or tapering ends. Oblique means what? Slanting. Tapering means in one area they are wide in size and they become narrow and narrower towards the end. That is called tapering ends. They are circular, oval or polygonal in shape. There are no intercellular spaces because pectin is present between the cells. In between the cells, spaces are not found because those spaces are occupied by a substance called pectin. So there are no intercellular spaces. They are found in the stem and the petioles of leaves but not in roots. They are found in the stem and also in the petioles of leaves. Petiole, I think we might have known that the thin stalk or the thin slender stalk beneath under the leaf is called the petiole. So they are found in the stem and the petioles, but they are not found in the roots. Its function is to provide support and flexibility. They give support to the plant and they make the plant stem flexible. Next question, explains sclerenchyma. It is made up of dead cells. They are elongated with pointed ends. These cells are also elongated and they have got pointed ends. The cell wall is thick because lignin is present in it. Their walls are so thick due to the presence of a substance called lignin. Lignin makes the cell strong. There are no intermolecular spaces between the cells. Its function is to provide strength to the plant body. So sclerenchyma provides strength to the plant body. Next question. Name the two types of complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. Next one, explain xylem. Xylem conducts water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. It is made mostly of dead cells. So, xylem is made up of dead cells mostly. It consists of tracheids and vessels. Now, what is meant by tracheids and what is meant by vessels? Both are the cells of xylem tissue, but there is a difference in between these tracheids and vessels. Both the cells conduct water from the root to other parts of the plant, but tracheids have got perforations. What is meant by perforations? On their surface they have got tiny holes. I mean to say pores. But in the case of vessels, they don't have these tiny holes called pores all along them. This is the only difference. This is the main difference between tracheids and vessels. Both tracheids and vessels are cells of xylem tissue. They constitute the xylem tissue. Tracheids and vessels are elongated cells with thick lignified walls. What is meant by lignified walls? Their walls are made up of a substance called lignin. They are hollow. What does it mean? They are empty inside and join each other end to end. They are joined end to end and form a long pipe-like thing. They look like a pipe because each and every cell is joined to one another end to end and they form a pipe-like thing. So water moves up through this. Water can easily move through this pipe. Xylem is located at the center of the stem. In plants, the xylem tissue is found at the center of the stem. This is a very important point related to xylem. Explain phloem. Phloem transports food to different parts of a plant. Here, food is manufactured or produced by leaves due to the process called photosynthesis. From there, food is transported to all other parts of a plant by means of this tissue called phloem. It is a living tissue. Unlike xylem, it is a living tissue. It is made of sieve cells and companion cells. In the case of xylem, it is made up of what? Tracheids and vessels. Here it is made of sieve cells and companion cells. The sieve cells are joined end to end. Perforated plates. It means plates with pores. What do you mean by pores? Tiny holes are present between the cells. So through these pores only food is passed. So food is passed through these pores. Last point, phloem is located closer to the surface of the stem. Unlike xylem, which is located at the center of the stem, here phloem is located very near to the surface of the stem. Next question. Name the tissue that is found in the stem and the petioles of the leaves. Answer is colonhyma. What are the functions of xylem and phloem? Xylem conducts water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Phloem conducts food to different parts of a plant. Where are xylem and phloem found in the stem? Xylem is located at the center of the stem. Phloem is located closer to the surface of the stem. Next question. Name the 4 kinds of animal tissues. So far we have learnt about plant tissues. Now we have come to animal tissues. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Next question. Explain in detail about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers the outer surface of the whole body. Epithelial tissue covers the outer surface of the whole body. It lines, it means it covers the outer and inner surfaces of heart, stomach and lungs. It also lines the blood vessels, lymph vessels, various ducts. Ducts means what? Tubular-like things which transport the secretions of glands, and bronchial tubes. Where do we find bronchioles? In the lungs. The small air sacs found in the lungs are called bronchioles. These bronchioles are connected with tubes. So, this epithelial tissue lines these things also, the inner part of the blood vessels, lymph vessels, various ducts and bronchial tubes. It is also present in salivary glands and digestive glands. In these glands also we can find this one. It protects from injury and germs. It protects our body from injury and germs from entering in. It also helps in absorption and secretion. What is meant by absorption? Absorbing things. And secretion means glands, various glands secrete hormones and other enzymes, etc. So, in these processes also it helps. With this video, with this we have come to the end of this video session. Let us meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and click the bell icon so that you would get more notifications.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.